Hello, you are welcome to your Excel tricks for today. Today we want to look at how to sort by group with the names. What we mean by that is that we want to sort by the group, so using the name as the base. So we want to let Akosua be first, followed by Fred, that's if you are sorting, with its address, followed by James and Kamara in that order. Note that if we just select the range and just do a quick sort, that from A to Z, this is what we'll get, and our data will be messed up. This is not what we want. Control Z to return. So to do what we are requesting for, the result we want to see, we'll insert an empty cell in here, come here, introduce an if function, and say that if A2 is equal to an empty cell, it should pick the name. If not, then if it's false, we should pick the empty cell up here, close our parentheses and enter. So we can do this, we can drag this down, and this is what we have. So first we have this, and we sort it. We use this as our sort helper and sort it by A to Z. Voila! So we have Akosua Kwarteng with its corresponding address sorted in that order, alphabetical order. This is an Excel trick you can learn and use quickly. Thank you very much, and continue to follow us on our channel. Have a wonderful day. Bye bye.